Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today we will see some more results of trigonometric functions, some more formulae of trigonometric functions. In the previous session we discussed about sine of x plus y, sine of x minus y. We know that the sine of x plus y is equals to sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. And what is sine of x minus y? Sine of x minus y is equals to sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. Now, using these two formula, we can obtain a new formula of this trigonometric function, that is, if we add these two adding, suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So, adding equation 1 and 2, we will get this sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y is equals to, here this cos x sin y, it is positive, negative, it will be cancelled. Okay. So, sin x cos y, then here also sin x cos y is there. So, if we add, we will get 2 sin x cos y. So, this is the first formula of the product of the functions which is expressed in the sum of these functions. Here 2 sin x cos y is in the product, now it is expressed in sum. Okay, that is, the first one is 2 sin x cos y is equals to sine of x plus y plus sine x minus y. This is the first one. This formula is obtained from these two formulae, that is sine of x plus y and sine of x minus y. If we add these two formula, then we will get 2 sin x cos y is equals to sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y. Now, similarly, we will get this 2 cos x sin y, 2 cos x sin y. If we subtract equation number 2 from equation 1, we will get 2 cos x sin y. Okay. So, that is equals to 2 cos x sin y is equals to sine of x plus y minus sine x minus y. Okay. The next one, number 3, that is 2 cos x cos y. This one can be obtained using the formula of cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. Okay. So, 2 cos x cos y is equals to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. And the fourth one is minus of 2 sin x sin y, that is equals to cos of x plus y minus cos x minus y. So, these are the four formulae. These two formulas are obtained using sine of x plus y and sine of x minus y, whereas these two formulae, number 3 and number 4, are obtained using this cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. So, you have to remember all these. Next, we will see another type of formula which we can obtain from these four. Okay. Next, we will see the formula of sine of A plus sine B. That means the sum of trigonometric functions sine for two different angles. Okay. Sine A plus sine B, here A and B are angles. So, sine A plus sine B is equals to 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So, this is the first formula of this type. This is sine A plus sine B, that is equals to 2 into sine of A plus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2. Here the sum of these two functions, that is sine A plus sine B for different angles, is expressed in terms of product of the functions. Okay. The sum of sine A and sine B is expressed as in the product form. Okay. So now let us see how to prove this. Here we know the formula of sine of 2 sine x cos y. We know the formula of 2 sine x cos y. Just now I told you, that is sine x plus y plus sine x minus y. Now in this formula, if we substitute, let this x plus y is equals to a and x minus y is equals to b. Suppose this x plus y is equals to a and this x minus y is equals to b. Then, so if we add these two equations, we will get x plus y is there, here x minus y is there. So we will get 2x is equals to a plus b. So x is equals to a plus b by 2. Okay. Similarly, if we subtract this x minus y is equals to b from this equation, then we will get x plus y minus of x minus y. So x will be cancelled, we will get 2y is equals to a minus b and y is equals to a minus b upon 2. Okay. So if we substitute these values in this formula, then we will get the same one, that is sine a plus sine b is equals to 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Let us see, it is a, so here it is sine a, then plus x minus y is b, so it is sine b, okay, and that is equals to, now what is the LHS, that is 2 sine x cos y. So here what is the value of x, that is a plus b by 2, and what is the value of y, that is a minus b by 2. So we will get here 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. So in this way we can prove it. Okay. That is, suppose this x plus y is equals to a and x minus y is equals to b. If we add these two equations, we will get the value of x, and similarly if we subtract this equation from this one, then we will get y is equals to a minus b by 2. Now substitute these values, that is x plus y is equals to a and x minus y is equals to b and x is equals to a plus b by 2, y is equals to a minus b by 2 in this formula. Then we will get sine a plus sine b, it is a, it is b, so sine a plus sine b, that is equals to 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay. So similarly we have the next one, that is number 2, sine a minus sine b, that is equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. Okay. So here this sine a minus sine b is expressed in terms of product of cos and sine. So it is sine a minus sine b is equals to 2 times of cos of a plus b by 2 into sine of a minus b by 2. And the third one is cos a plus cos b. Okay. That is equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. And the fourth one is cos a minus cos b, that is equals to minus of 2 sine a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b upon 2. So these are the 4 formulae in which the sum or difference of the functions are expressed in terms of product. Okay. So once again, sine a plus sine b is equals to 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, and sine a minus sine b, that is equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. So in the same way as we proved the first one, in the same way we can prove these three also. Okay. And the next one is cos A plus cos B is equals to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, and cos A minus cos B is equals to minus of 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay. Now we will see some questions related to all the formulae we discussed in this lesson in the previous session and today also. Okay. So let's see some questions. So the question is, prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equals to minus root 2 into sin x. Okay. So here for the proof we will take LHS, and the LHS is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Now here we can use the formula of cos A minus cos B. Okay. So what is the formula for cos A minus cos B? Cos A minus cos B is equals to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay. This is the formula for cos A minus cos B. So we can use that formula, that is cos A, in place of A 3 pi by 4 plus x is there, and in place of B 3 pi by 4 minus 6x is there. So we can write this as minus 2 sine of this A plus B, means we have to write 3 pi by 4 plus x, then plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. This is 2 minus of 2 sine A plus B by 2, then into sine A minus B by 2, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x, then minus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Okay. So using this formula, okay, so that is equals to, now simplify this, it is minus 2 sine of, now if we open the bracket, this x will be cancelled, x minus x is there. So 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, that is 2 times of 3 pi by 4, and it is divided by 2, so we will get 3 pi by 4. Okay, it is 2 times of 3 pi by 4 divided by 2, so we will only get 3 pi by 4 there. That now into sine of, now open the bracket, 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 will be cancelled, then x, it is minus minus plus x, so x plus x will be 2x divided by 2, that is x. Okay. So here now we have to find the value of sine 3 pi by 4. This sine 3 pi by 4 can be written as sine of pi minus pi by 4. Okay. It is 4 pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4, and into sine x. Now what is sine of pi minus pi by 4? Here we know the formula, that is sine of pi minus x, that is equals to, it is in the second quadrant pi minus x, so sine of pi minus x is sine x. For this pi minus x, this trigonometric function will not change, and it is positive in the second quadrant. Okay, sine is positive. So we will get minus of, here sine pi minus pi by 4 is minus 2 sine pi by 4, as sine of pi minus x is equals to sine x. So we will get sine pi minus pi by 4 is equal to sine pi by 4 into sine x. Now what is the value of sine pi by 4? That is 1 upon root 2 into sine x. Now it is equals to, now we can rationalize this denominator root 2, or we can also write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. So here one root 2 will be cancelled out, we will get minus root 2 sine x, that is equals to RHS. Hence it is, see what is the RHS? Minus root 2 sine x. Hence it is proved. So in this question, this expression is in the form of cos A minus cos B. Here we use the formula of cos A minus cos B, that is equals to minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 sine A minus B by 2. Then simplify here sin 3 pi by 4 can be obtained by expressing this as sine of pi minus pi by 4, and that is equal to sine pi by 4, and the value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Then simplify, we will get minus root 2 sine x, and that is equals to RHS. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is prove that sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equals to 4 cos square x into sine 4x. Now to prove this, take the LHS, and the LHS is sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. Now you see this one, here is one 2 is there in product, but in sine 2x and sine 6x there is no constant term multiplied with, okay. So we can rearrange these terms as sine 6x plus sine 2x and plus 2 sine 4x is also there. As if we rearrange in this way, then we can use the formula of sine A plus sine B here, okay, sine A plus sine B. So what is sine A plus sine B? Sine A plus sine B is equals to 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, okay. So apply this formula, sine A in place of A 6x is there and in place of B 2x is there. So sine A plus sine B, that is equals to 2 sine A plus B by 2. So we have to write 6x plus 2x divided by 2 into then cos of A minus B by 2. So cos 6x minus 2x divided by 2 and plus 2 sine 4x is there, write it as it is, 2 sine 4x. Now simplify it. So here it is equals to 2 sine, now 6x plus 2x, that is 8x divided by 2, so that is 4x into cos 6x minus 2x, so it is 4x divided by 2, that is 2x, okay. Now here it is plus 2 sine 4x, okay. Now look at this, we can take common here 2 sine 4x, and you see the RHS there, sine 4x is also there in RHS. So we got this RHS as sine 4x, but we have to obtain the other terms. Now take common 2 sine 4x, and here it is cos 2x plus 1. Now that is equals to 2 sine 4x into, what is cos 2x plus 1? That is 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x, I told you in the previous session, 1 plus cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x. We can directly write it as 2 cos square x, or we can also write this cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So we will get 2 cos square x. Now it is 2 sine 4x into 2 cos square x. So we can write it as 4. First write cos square x, then into sine 4x. Now what is the RHS? 4 cos square x into sine 4x. So we obtained the RHS. So that is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay. Once again, here this sine 2x and sine 6x has to be arranged together. So it is sine 6x plus sine 2x, so that we can apply the formula of sine A plus sine B. So we applied that formula, and in this way simplify. Here we take common this 2 sine 4x, then 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So in this way we got 4 cos square x into sine 4x. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equals to sine 2x into sine 10x. So let us take the LHS. The LHS is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write it as sine 6x plus sine 4x into sine 6x minus sine 4x. Now look at this. Now it is in the form of sine a plus sine b, and it is in the form of sine a minus sine b. So we can apply the formula of sine a plus sine b here, and here we have to apply the formula of sine a minus sine b. So now apply sine a plus sine b. So what is that? 2 sine a plus b by 2. So it is 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. So it is 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Then into, again we have to apply the formula of sine a minus sine b. So it is 2 cos a plus b by 2. So it is 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sine a minus b by 2, that is 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Now simplify this one, that is 2 sine, here we will get, this is 6x plus 4x, 10x divided by 2, so it is 5x. Okay. Now cos of 6x minus 4x, that is 2x divided by 2, that is x. So we can write it as x cos x, then into 2 cos 6x plus 4x, again 10x divided by 2, that is 5x. Then into sine 6x minus 4x, that is 2x divided by 2, that is sin x. Now you see the RHS. What is the RHS? Sin 2x into sin 10x. We know that sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. Now here you see we obtained here 2 sin x and cos x. So we have to rearrange all these terms, as all these terms are in product. So we can write 2 sin x, first write sin x, then take cos x, then 2, here is 2, here also 2 is there. So it is 2 sin x into cos x, then 2 and sin 5x into cos 5x. Okay. So just see this one, it is 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, then 2 sin 5x cos 5x. Okay. Now we know that this 2 sin x into cos x is equals to sin 2x, twice of angle x. So in this way we can write 2 sin x into cos x as sin 2x, and it is also in the form of 2 sin x into cos x, but in the place of x 5x is there. So we have to apply the formula here also. So we will get sin 2x means sin 2 theta, that is it is 5x. So sin twice of 5x, that is equals to sin 2x into sin of 10x. Now what is the RHS? Sin 2x into sin 10x. So in this way we reached at the RHS sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay. So here this expression LHS is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have to write this a plus b, a minus b, then apply the formula of sin a plus sin b and sin a minus sin b. Then simplify, we will get the RHS. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x, that is equals to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay. So take the LHS. What is LHS? Tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x. Now it is this tan pi by 4 plus x in the form of tan of x plus y. Here we will apply the formula of tan of x plus y in the numerator, and whereas in the denominator we will apply the formula of tan of x minus y equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay. And what is tan of x minus y? Tan of x minus y is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So we have to apply these two formula here. In the numerator we will apply tan of x plus y. So in the place of x, pi by 4 is there, and in the place of y, x is there. Okay. So we will write this as tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x, and whole divided by, now it is in the form of tan x minus y. So we will write this as tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay. And that is equals to, now put the value of tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. So we will get this as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus, this tan pi by 4 is 1, so we will get 1 minus tan x whole divided by, this is tan pi by 4, that is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus, this is tan pi by 4, that is 1, so 1 into tan x, that is tan x. Now take the reciprocal of this denominator and multiply it with the numerator. So that is equals to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into, now we have to write the reciprocal of this, that is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, and that is equals to, here both the terms are same, so we can write this as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square, and that is equals to RHS. Okay. So very simple. So we have to apply the formula of tan of x plus y and tan of x minus y. Okay. All these questions are from your exercise 3.2. Okay. So the question is, prove that cos 4x is equals to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So the LHS is cos 4x. Here we will take the LHS. LHS is equals to cos 4x. Now we know the formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Then cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is also equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Here this cos 4x can be written as cos 2 times of 2x. Okay. So it is in the form of cos 2 theta. Here in the place of theta 2x is there, cos 2 theta. So if I am writing this as cos 2 theta, then we can apply the formula. Which formula we have to apply here? Just look at the RHS, it is in the form of 1 minus something. Okay. So here in the formula of cos 2 theta, there are 4 formula of cos 2 theta. So we can apply this one, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here in place of theta 2x is there. So we have to apply cos 2 theta as, it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, means it is 2x. Okay. It is 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Now we can write it as 1 minus 2, it is sin square 2x means sin 2x whole square. Now we know the formula for sin 2x. What is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. So write this one here, sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. It is whole square there. So 1 minus 2, now it is 2 square, that is 4 sin square x into cos square x. So that is equals to 1 minus 8 sine square x cos square x. So what is the RHS? That is the same 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. So in this way we can prove it, that is equals to RHS. So here we have to split this as this 4x as 2 into 2x. So we have to apply the formula of cos 2 theta. Okay. So okay students, I hope you understood all the questions that we discussed today. So now you have to try some questions from exercise 3.2. Today I have taken some questions of 3.2 only. So in the same way you can proceed. Okay. So let's meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.